Question. A monkey climbs a tree to eat fruits. The amount of energy gained after eating fruits and the energy spent in climbing on different branches have a relationship as shown in the figure. The ratio of energy gained to energy spent will be maximum A. At a point where the slope of the curve is at the maximum. B. At a point where the slope of the curve is unity. C. At a point on the curve where the tangent passes through the origin. And D. At the highest point on the curve. Solution. We know that the slope of a line equals the change in y-coordinate divided by the corresponding change in x-coordinate between two distinct points on the line. Here, the y-coordinate represents the energy gained and the x-coordinate represents the energy spent. Therefore, the ratio of energy gained to energy spent at a point on the graph is the slope of the graph at that point. Thus, the ratio will be the highest when the slope is the highest. The right answer to the question is option A.
Hope you all like this video. For more videos and update on the upcoming free classes, you can be part of a WhatsApp group and Telegram group. To be part of the WhatsApp group, you can just text to this number, and to be part of the Telegram group and Telegram channel, you can just search Christy's classes in Telegram. In the Telegram group, daily live free quizzes happen at 9 PM on General Aptitude. You can be part of that quiz also. And if you want live free classes for General Aptitude, you can download Unacademy mobile application and search this profile Christy Varghese, and you can see 300 plus pre-recorded videos, and upcoming daily live classes happen at 11 AM. Monday to Friday, 11 AM free classes happen in this profile. So you're welcome to attend this free classes also, and more YouTube video details are given here. And these are the details of the full courses or the paid courses in Unacademy platform, which you can get by taking Unacademy Plus subscription with the referral code CC10. Hope to see you in the upcoming video. Thank you.